So what's up guys, how are you there? Today I'll be mounting this aftermarket muffler to my Honda Forza like I promised the last time. Okay. This is my stock. That's the stock. That's my Honda Forza. Okay, let's start. So guys, take out your tools from the box from here. It's hidden here. So take it. You're gonna be needing 12, 14, 10 millimeter and 17. Okay, so you have your tools here ready. Okay, first you have to take down the connection from the mid pipe here, this one. So you have to take it. This is, by the way, connection from the muffler to the mid pipe has a 12 millimeter. So take this. By the way, I'll be mounting only muffler in the mid pipe. I will not be mounting this for today. This is the header from the engine, because it's very deep. It's down under, so it needs more time. And maybe I have to put in a lift the motorcycle. So I'll be mounting only muffler and the mid pipe. So okay, take this. If you have a WD-40 lubricant to loosen up the bolts, it's better. Okay, once you take that, you have to take away this one, the sensor. This is oxygen sensor. So for this sensor you're gonna have to need 17. Okay, okay. So guys, the sensors, I've taken off the sensor, but it's too dirty, so we're gonna have to clean this first. Okay, next step, you're gonna have to take this bolt here, 1 and 2. Oh no, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 3 volts. Okay. For this one, we're gonna have to use 17. Oh no, it's 14. 14. First you have to spray WD-40. Okay, so take this bolt here. This is the upper part. Using your 14 millimeter wrench. So guys, I found this inside the toolbox, inside the tools. So this is 14. So it's better you have if you use this. This here, okay. And the other side, lower part. This is better. Okay, so this is loose enough. Take this. Okay, took it. Original. It's too heavy. So that's what it looks like. First we have to clean everything here. Okay, put this one. This mid pipe is 10 millimeter. Okay, you have to put the mid pipe. You have to push it through this inside. You have to push. Okay, and put your muffler. So you see the hole is not in the proper place, so you have to push the mid pipe down until here. Push it down because this is the original. Okay, it's mounted, but there's a problem. You have to bolt this. This is the original bolt. The original bolt is longer, so you have to buy one bolt that is shorter than the original. You see? So I'm gonna have to buy 2 bolts. So guys, I temporarily put this nut to the bolt because it doesn't fit. So temporarily I put these two to fill the gap. Okay, that's the lower part and the higher part. I put 2 bolts each to compensate. Okay guys, so guys, I'm done. Final result, aftermarket muffler, mid pipe, but I didn't mounted the header because it's hard, it's too deep, it's too down under, so I gotta have to mount it sooner. Okay, you like it? If you like it, hit like. Let's try. Guys, that's idle. Let's put it to nice sounds. So that's it for now guys. Please subscribe, hit like if you like that. Okay. See ya.